What's going on, guys? Rashard D here with Double O Level, and we're going to be checking out this RK M87. This is going to be a 75% keyboard. So let's go ahead and open this up so we can get a look at it. All right, so the first thing that we notice when we open this up is you're going to get your information on the keyboard. So instructions, warranty information, all that good stuff. And we have the keyboard right here. There are some accessories in here, so let's pull that out first. All right, so you are going to get a USB-C cable. So you have a USB-C to USB-A, but this is an adapter. So once you pull this off, you have the option of going from USB-C to USB-C. That is pretty cool. You also get some extra switches. These are going to be cream switches, so you get 4 of them here. You also get a keycap remover. So if you want to put some custom keys on here, customize it to your liking, you can do that. This is going to be the keyboard. Just get a look at how nice this thing is. It's going to be a 75% keyboard. You have 2 knobs for customization and switching. There's also a LED screen here, so you can put some custom GIFs on here, get you some information. And also you have your power button, your controls for your audio tracks here. So let's go ahead and power this up. It should have some juice. Now this keyboard looks really, really good. It's giving me some Iron Man vibes. I love the color scheme. There's that digital display. You have your date, the battery percentage, also the time on there. And then you have your switch mode on there, which Bluetooth mode you're going to be in. So this is what you call a tri-mode keyboard. You can connect up to 3 devices. So you have Bluetooth 1, Bluetooth 2, and then you have Bluetooth 3. You also have a 2.4 gigahertz. And you have your USB mode. And once again, this is going to be cream switches. So it's going to be a nice soft sound, nice keystrokes. So it's not too loud, not too soft. To me, it's just right. All right, so let's get into the build quality. This is going to have a 5-layer of protection. So this is built really well. It's going to be high quality. It has some weight on there. Whenever you pick this up, you can just automatically tell that this is a high quality keyboard. It has anti-ghosting on all the keys. So this is going to be great for gamers. Also on the back, you have a 2-stage tripod design. So if you want to give it some height, you can just lift this up, and that way you can have this at an angle that's more comfortable for you. Overall, I think this keyboard is really nice. It has a nice touch. If you like customization, this is going to be the keyboard for you, especially with the LCD screen here. So you can see what's going on. You can navigate through the menu really easy without using a monitor. And also you have your custom GIFs that you can put on here to add to your personal touch on this keyboard. So guys, once again, this is going to be the RK M87 75% keyboard. Hopefully the information that I gave you helps make your decision. If you have any questions, comments, you can leave them in the comment section if it's available. Other than that, I'm Rashard D with Double O Level, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.